So something interesting happened in packages today. Malcolm has released the incoming webhook. I believe it's one of the more sought after feature requests. And essentially what it means is that we can now trigger our automations in packages remotely. Right, so to illustrate what I mean, I have got a diagram here. Now this is one of the packages, basically the ability to do a Google search, right? Or I mean inside Google Map, right? And extract the top 20 results. Okay. And with the incoming webhook, now we can send the search query into packages, say using a form, a simple form, and have packages execute that right in the background, right in the cloud somewhere. And then depending on how you set up, we could have the data sent to an email, for example. Right. So let me show you how it would look like. So over here, I've got two input, service and city. So these are just text, right? Text term. And then you can combine them, right, in the search query. And then you can set up the output to reflect a table. Okay, so before incoming webhook, this is how it will look like. You would have to open up the program somewhere, right, in a laptop, desktop, or whatever. And then, let's say, for example, I'm interested in, say, car repair. Okay, and maybe the place is, I don't know, maybe in Bangkok, right? And then I hit the run package button. And in a few short seconds, I should be able to see a table, right? So in this table, there's a list of available car repair shops, okay, with the ratings as well as the review count, right, and maybe even website, right? So, but now with the incoming webhook, I can, okay, let me go back to the main page. I can call up another application, right? So in this case, I've got Radar, RADAR, right? And I'm just going to open this up and say, for example, I'm interested in to drink beer, right? So I can just key in, I don't know, maybe just beer, I don't know, bar, I suppose, right? And then maybe I'm interested in the Bali, and then I just need to hit the. No, I'm just going to. Okay, I'm just going to hit this. Okay, and if you can't see the back, right? Okay, the automation has already been completed, right? So over here, I've got a list of bars where I can drink beer, right? And then over here, okay, other detail. Okay, so this is an example, okay, of like being able to trigger our automation remotely, right? So like for example, I could be using someone else's laptop, and then if I have access to my Publi or Zapier or Make, and then I reset it up, I can just activate, right, the automations, okay, as long as I've got it set up, the incoming webhook. Now, so for this video, I'm just going to talk about the visual impact, right? I mean, I'm just going to talk about the benefits of having that. But I will only show you how to set this up in the next video, right? I will walk you through step by step, right? But you can imagine this is a game changer because now that this is available, you can start building out your packages and then link it to uh, maybe like your Google Form or even a chatbot, and you can go out and make demonstration, right, for your potential clients, right? So they would not be able to guess that at the back end, you have packages doing the heavy lifting, right? All they will see is like you entering the search query in your, say, your Google form, right, or your chatbot, and then they may receive the information in their Gmails, for example, right? And this actually masks the branding, right, for packages. And if you're on tier one, tier two, and white label, the white label experience is not available to you, you do not need to worry about that anymore. Well, at least for the time being, right? So yeah, nobody will know it's packages unless you tell them, right? So you're just selling the service. Like for example, I have a service that could generate, okay, a newsletter instantaneously, right? As long as you're able to give me the topic, right? So just fill in this form, hit the send button, you will be able to get two newsletters per week, right? So that's about it. Okay, so think about it. You can, if you can master this, right, and set it up properly, then even before Malcolm ends its LTD sale, you might be able to get some clients, or at least some indication of who may be interested in such a service that you are looking to provide. Okay, so uh, that's it for this video. Right, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one, and take care.